Have you ever wished that you could receive repeat payments of $5, $10, or $20 just by clicking a few buttons? While many people may overlook small amounts like $5, the websites I'm about to introduce you to in this video treat them as valuable sources of income. With these unique websites, you can earn either $10 or $20 each time you receive a payment. Although these amounts may seem small at first, but they can quickly add up to substantial figures, ranging from $250 to $500 per day if you sum them together. Furthermore, you can cash out your earnings right away using various payment methods such as PayPal, bank transfer, and Bitcoin. The best part is that these websites are entirely free and you don't need to invest any money to use them. They are also expanding to different countries, so there are plenty of opportunities available. In addition, I'll provide you with some bonus steps that can double or even triple your earnings with just a few clicks. It's essential to watch the entire video to learn how to take full advantage of these websites. Don't forget to watch the video until the end to learn some bonus steps that can help you maximize your earnings. Before we move any farther, welcome to Money Flow, where we will teach you the most recent making money online ideas, tips, and techniques. So hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up for more money-making techniques, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Be sure that I always read your comments. Thus, without wasting any time, let's start off with the video right away. The very first thing I want you to do is go to enrollapp.com. When you arrive at this page, you will notice the following message. Let's make the web a better place. This is a 100% authentic firm that is currently extremely popular in the market. It allows you and me to work from home without any prior experience or technical knowledge. Pay close attention because I'm about to show you all you need to know to start making money online right now. Upon arriving at the homepage, click the Sign In button, which will prompt you to enter your email address and password to complete the sign-in process. While this process is straightforward, there are a few additional steps I recommend taking upon logging into your account. Firstly, I suggest checking your email inbox, especially if this is your first time creating a free account. You will find a verification link that you can click to activate your account if this is the case. Afterwards, sign up for PayPal if you don't have a PayPal account. So what are you waiting for? Sign up now to get your money. Then it will ask you to add your fluent language, as well as here, it asks you what languages do you frequently speak. And you should provide them with your phone number to stay updated afterwards. Where do you live? And what's your availability? Enter yes to stay updated. What gender do you identify with? Add your gender. What is your birth date? Highest level of education? What is your day job? No need to write anything here. Then it will ask you, what are your top job skills? Add whatever you want and whatever you like. How do you make money? You may not answer it and press continue. What are your top hobbies? You should choose 3. Once you've logged into your enrollapp.com dashboard, you'll observe that let's begin with the signing up process. This is actually within the account, as you can see. Let's make the web a better place today. Keep it up on your dashboard questions. You're making some serious progress towards your next mission. My mission progress is 1%, and as I continue to work on and accomplish additional projects and missions, this small cow will travel from left to right. The website offers extra cash rewards and bonus money making. It is my top choice and I highly recommend it to beginners and beginner users. In this video, I'll share a secret trick that I discovered while working on this website that can help you double or triple your earnings. Keep watching the video till the end to earn your money. When you access your dashboard, you will immediately see poll questions and the number of polls you've responded to. The term poll refers to a specific type of question that requires a yes or no answer. Upon selecting an option, the website will display survey statistics showing how many people chose yes or no. Once you've provided your response, click Continue to move on to the next poll question. As you complete more poll questions, your responses will accumulate and you'll earn points that allow you to advance to higher levels and receive bonus money. Answering more poll questions also enables the website to match you with the most suitable projects based on your demographics and interests, resulting in more missions and higher earnings. You can answer as many poll questions as you like by clicking the Continue button repeatedly without any restrictions. By doing so, you'll accumulate more points, move up the levels, and increase your earning potential. In summary, responding to poll questions is critical if you want to make money online. The more questions you answer, the more points you earn, and the greater your chances of receiving high-paying projects. By continually clicking the Continue button, you can answer an unlimited number of poll questions and accumulate more points, allowing you to earn bonus money and move up the levels quickly. But first, welcome to Money Flow. On this channel, I share with you the most recent online money-making ideas and techniques. If you haven't already done so, hit the like button and enable notifications to be notified whenever I post a new video. Let me quickly run through the previously answered poll questions, where you can view all of the questions and my responses. The more questions and polls you respond to, the more money you can earn. Also, you can do this on both your phone and computer, and it's accessible worldwide. Next, when you click on Achievements, you'll be directed to your dashboard where you can keep track of your progress. As you can see, I've received 1 badge and gained total points. Since this is my first mission, I only request that you take the test, respond to the poll question, and remain active. That is, you must log into your account each day for 30 days straight in order to earn more bonus points and money. It will take you only 5 minutes each day. By answering a poll question, you can finish your first mission, and you'll notice a green dot indicating your completion. You can progress by completing more polls, and there are different badges you can earn for completing them. These badges allow you to earn more points and bonus money on the website as you accumulate more of them. Now there's one more item you need to set up if you want to make 3 times as much money. Pay close attention to this when you log into your account. To access your test preferences, click on the arrow button located here and select Test Preferences to be redirected to the corresponding screen. All of your poll answers will be kept confidential, as indicated on the screen. Ensure that all of your profile settings are current and select 3 different devices: mobile, tablet, and desktop on the device you will use to test. The more devices you choose, the more polls you can participate in, and the more money you can earn. To maximize your testing availability, choose Send Me Tests as soon as possible as the best time to receive tests. This will result in more test opportunities being sent to your account and email inbox. The more opportunities you take, the more money you can make. To optimize your earnings on this website, it's important to select the option, Send me an email when I qualify for a test. You can also input your phone number to receive SMS notifications when new tests become available. By following the settings below, you'll be able to maximize your earnings. It's simple to use the website, and you can repeat the process as many times as you want with just a few clicks. I believe anyone can do this. To make progress, focus on completing objectives, earning points and badges. Your progress will increase from 0 to 100%, and you'll earn extra bonus money. Give it a thumbs up if you're interested in making money online fast and easy. Now watch this video. If you want to make more money from another website while only copying a YouTube link, then what are you waiting for? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.